Hola, vamos a hablar de las transiciones y las conjunciones en español. Let's read our model together. Para empezar, es importante notar que como estudiantes intermedios, la escritura empieza a tener más y más importancia. Como resultado, deben pensar en cómo escribir, especialmente en la manera de cómo conectar sus ideas. Efectivamente, necesitan utilizar las transiciones y las conjunciones en español. Wow! So, let me call your attention to some of these words here in purple. What do you think these are about? Well, if you think they're transitions and conjunctions in Spanish, you'd be correct. Remember, a conjunction joins two ideas together, right? Brings together clauses. A transition is one way of going from one idea or one paragraph to the next. And as you are becoming more and more efficient writers, these devices are really useful in helping you express yourself in an academic setting. So we've got a list here of some transitions. As you will see in some of the other activities, that there are many, many more transitions. This list and the following activity is just to help give you an idea of how transitions work in Spanish. And a bonus, if you're already familiar with this in English, it'll be a little bit easier for you as you learn it in Spanish. A good way to use transitions is to categorize them. And we can look at some of the following categories. To show time, right? At first, al principio, por último. Place, alrededor de. To add an idea, además, también, which you've likely heard también by now. To emphasize an idea, sobre todo, principalmente. To illustrate or explain an idea, por ejemplo, es decir. To compare and contrast ideas, pero, sino, sin embargo. To show a result, en todo caso, por supuesto, así que. And to summarize, en fin, para resumir, right? So, your activity, which hopefully will help you with these, is to read the following paragraph and fill in the blanks with an appropriate transition from this list. And, of course, when you are finished, write a paragraph of your own using at least 5 transitions or conjunctions. Good luck, have fun, y hasta luego.